Ayan, so ayun na nga. It's 10 a.m. here sa Maryland and it's Saturday. And like, I made this reel this morning, making this breakfast. And while I'm making this breakfast today, habang nakahiga pa si Day, nakakita ng Jack Russell na 10 weeks old. And guess what? Kukunin namin. So we will have a new dog. And we're going to take it at 11 and it's 10 now. We have 1 hour. And this is the fit that I have. I have my yellow hoodie. Yeah, makulay tayo today. And my Disneyland cap with my colorful Puma shoes. Ang dumi. Kasi hindi uso dito magdulaban ng shoes. So let's go!